Hello children, my name's Jess. Let's start our letters and sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Can you remember what a phoneme is? Yes, that's right, a sound. Can you remember what a grapheme is? Yes, that's right, a sound written down. Can you remember what a digraph is? Yes, two letters that make one sound. Great remembering. Let's read some phonemes you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. The first flashcard says I and this digraph says R. Now you have a go. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. I, R, ng, k, ch, b, th or th, d, a, e, G, oo, o, sh. Right, I'm going to mix the cards up. Let's read the graphemes on the cards. I want you to read them aloud. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. E, oo, I, R, ng, o, sh, k, ch, b, th or th, d, p, g, a. Well done, super sounds. Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot the digraph? Yes, the digraph is O. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. B-O-T, boat. The boat sailed into the distance. Can you spot the trigraph? Yes, the trigraph is I. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. I-T, right. Turn right at the traffic lights. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. P-A-R-K, park. There are swings at the park. Can you spot the digraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is R. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. K-A-R, car. The red car was really fast. Great reading. I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Car, boat, park, right. Fantastic reading. Well done. Today we're going to learn to read a new sound, or. Or. Copy me. Or. Or. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme or. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. F, or, k. F, or, k. You have a go. F, or, k. Fork. I ate my dinner with a fork. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. W, or, n. W, or, n. You have a go. W, or, n. Worn. My favourite jumper has been worn a lot. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. F, or, t. F, or, t. You have a go. F, or, t. Fort. The fort was well protected. The sound or is written like this. Two letters making one sound is called a digraph. This digraph makes the sound or. Let's read the sound or. Can you say the sound or each time I show you the digraph? Or, you ready? That was brilliant. Well done, children. Now, let's read some words with our new sound, or. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Now, let's read the word together. T, or, n. Torn. Did you get it right? Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. F, or, k. Fork. I ate my dinner with a fork. Let's have a look at another word. Let's do it together. F, or, for. Did you get it right? Sound talk each grapheme, then blend to read the word aloud. Now, let's read the word together. S, or, t. Sort. Mum asked me to sort my socks into pairs. Let's have a look at another word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Let's read the word together. B, or, n. Born. Did you get it right? Let's look at another word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word. Let's do it together. W, or, n. Worn. My favourite trainers are old and worn. Can you read these now without any help? Let's check. Read them with me. Torn, fork, for, sought, born, worn. Well done. I'm going to mix the cards up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Let's check. Read them with me. Born, fork, worn, torn, for, sought. Amazing. What amazing reading you're doing today, children. Let's learn to read a tricky word. We're going to learn to read the word you. Well, the first bit is easy. Y. The second bit is tricky. The grapheme says oo. When I read it, I say y, oo. Now read it with me. Y, oo, you. Fantastic. Now read it to yourself. What's the word? Tell me again. Yes, the word is y, oo, you. Fantastic. Now let's practice reading this tricky word that you've met before. Can you remember which bit is tricky? Yes, the tricky bit is, as it says, E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Sh, E, she. What great reading of your tricky words. Well done. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Have a look at this. Can you see a word with our focus sound or? Yes, sort has the digraph or. I need to sort my toys. Can you see any other words with digraphs or trigraphs? Yes, the, right, boat and with all have digraphs or trigraphs. The is a tricky word that we already know. Can you see the tricky word we learnt to read today? Yes, you is our tricky word. Now, I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Excellent reading, children. Now let's read the sentence together. It is the right sort of boat for fun with you. Where could you travel on a boat? Right, let's have a look at our next sentence. Can you see a word with our focus sound or? Yes, torn has the digraph or. Well done if you also noticed worn. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes, wish has a digraph in it. Can you see the tricky word we already know? Yes, my is a tricky word we already know. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Fantastic. Now let's read the sentence together. My top is torn. I Wish I had not worn it. I wonder how the top got torn. Wow, children, let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell 2 words with our focus sound, or. Let's spell sort. Segment the sounds with me. Sort. S, or, t. Let's count how many sounds there are. S, or, t. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write sort. S, or, t. Now you have a go. Sort. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the digraph, or. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Right, now let's spell worn. Segment the sounds with me. Worn. W, or, n. Let's count how many sounds there are. W, or, n. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write worn. W, or, n. Now you have a go. Worn. Write it down. Don't forget the digraph, or. Right, let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Right, let's learn to spell a tricky word. We can read the word you, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. You, y, oo. Let's count how many sounds there are. Y, oo. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write you. The first bit is easy. Y. The second bit is tricky. The letters O and U say oo. Y, oo. You have a go. You. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The sound oo is written with the letters O, U. Write them down. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Well done, children. You've worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. I'll see you tomorrow for another lesson with letters and sounds.